Have you ever stepped into a friend's home and instantly felt that wave of peace, that quiet, calming sense of order? And maybe you thought, I wish my home felt like this. You're not alone. Keeping a tidy home can feel overwhelming, especially when our energy isn't what it used to be. But here's the truth. A consistently clean home doesn't come from long, exhausting cleaning marathons. It comes from a few gentle, time-tested habits, the kind that work with your rhythm, not against it. Today, I'm sharing 7 simple daily habits that seniors with beautifully clean homes swear by. These aren't chores, they're tiny routines that uplift your space, protect your peace, and make your home feel new again. So, if you're ready to feel more in control, more comfortable, and truly connected to your space, you're in the right place. And if you love warm, realistic home routines that honor your season of life, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Let's create your peaceful sanctuary, one gentle habit at a time. Habit 1. Gently open and close your day. The very first habit is perhaps the most foundational, creating a small tidying routine for the beginning and end of each day. Think of it as gently waking your home up in the morning and putting it to rest at night. This simple practice prevents small messes from turning into a monumental cleanup task down the road. It provides a structure that brings comfort and stability to daily life. Your morning routine truly sets the tone for the day. It's a quiet act of self-care that prepares you for whatever lies ahead. This doesn't have to be a big deal. The most common morning habit is simply making the bed. It's a surprisingly powerful way to start. In just 2 minutes, you can transform your bedroom from a place of slumber into a serene, organized space. Psychologically, it's an instant win that creates a feeling of accomplishment and can set off a chain reaction of other positive behaviors. Completing this first task of the day provides a sense of pride and encouragement to tackle what's next. From there, maybe it's a quick wipe of the bathroom counter after brushing your teeth, or taking a moment to put the breakfast dishes directly into the dishwasher. Another simple yet effective act is opening the curtains and a window for a few minutes to let in fresh air and light, which can instantly lift the mood of a room. This small investment of 10 to 15 minutes resets the key areas of your home, so you can start the day with a clean slate and a clear mind. Then, at the end of the day, comes the evening reset. Before you settle in for the night, take 10 minutes to gently tidy up. This is the habit that ensures you wake up to peace instead of chaos. It's about fluffing the couch cushions, folding the throw blanket, and putting away the remote, a stray magazine, or your reading glass. A quick walk through the living areas to return items to their proper homes prevents clutter from taking root overnight. It's a small gift you give to your future self, allowing you to start the next morning with a sense of calm and clarity. This closing ceremony for your home can also signal to your brain that the day is over, helping you to unwind and prepare for a more restful sleep. Crumbs, spills, and dirty dishes can pile up so quickly, creating a sense of disorder that spreads to the rest of the house. That's why the second habit is to handle kitchen cleanup immediately after every meal. The golden rule is simple: never let the kitchen wait until tomorrow. Adhering to this principle is crucial for hygiene, as it prevents the growth and spread of harmful bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli that can thrive on unwashed surfaces and cause foodborne illnesses. This was a game changer for a woman named Helen. She used to feel so overwhelmed by kitchen cleanup that she would dread cooking. Waiting to do the dishes made the task feel impossible with her arthritis, as food would harden onto plates and pots, requiring more forceful scrubbing. So she adopted what she calls the one meal, one wash rule. Now she washes the few dishes she uses immediately after each meal. I used to dread the kitchen, she says. Now it's my peaceful space. Because the food doesn't have a chance to harden, the job is quicker, easier, and requires less physical strain. This habit extends beyond just the dish. It's about giving the surfaces you used a quick wipe down: the counters, the stovetop, the table. Keeping a microfiber cloth and a spray bottle of gentle cleaner handy makes this a natural final step to every meal. It's a 2-minute action that prevents the slow, grimy buildup that can make a kitchen feel permanently unclean. By investing just a few minutes after each meal, you are not only maintaining cleanliness, but also practicing critical food safety. You are nurturing the heart of your home, keeping it ready and welcoming for an unexpected guest or your next healthy meal. They creep in so subtly, a newspaper here, a bit of dust there, until suddenly the space feels heavy and chaotic. Seniors with tidy homes don't wait for it to become a problem. They stay ahead of it with small daily actions. First, the dust. Instead of thinking about the overwhelming task of dusting the entire house, they do a daily dust patrol on the most visible surfaces: the coffee table, the end tables, the TV stand, and windowsill. A quick swipe with a microfiber cloth each day not only keeps the whole room looking fresh, but has the added benefit of reducing allergens in the air. Dust can harbor dust mites and pollen, which can aggravate allergies and respiratory issues, so this small habit significantly improves a home's air quality. Even more important is daily clutter control. Clutter is often just a stack of postponed decisions. This is where the one-touch rule becomes transformative. Think of Frank, 82, whose dining table was once buried under what he called mail mountains. He transformed his space by deciding to touch each piece of mail only once. Now, when the mail comes in, he deals with it right away by the recycling bin. Junk mail is immediately recycled, bills go into their designated folder, and personal letters are read and stored in a small box. He touches it once and puts it where it belongs. This simple principle, don't put it down, put it away, applies to everything. Keys have a hook by the door, shoes have a rack in the entryway, and coats go directly into the closet. A clear space leads to a clear mind, and you're not really cleaning more, you're just preventing the mess from ever getting started. This brings us to a vital habit, making safety and decluttering a daily priority. Clutter is a significant safety risk, with falls being the leading cause of injury-related death for adults over 60. The most important part of this is keeping floors and pathways clear to prevent falls. This means a continuous, gentle awareness of your space. There should be no stacks of magazines or newspapers on the floor, no stray electrical cords across a walkway, and no shoes left in the middle of a hall. This isn't a weekly chore, it's a state of mind that dramatically reduces the risk of an accident. Furthermore, clear pathways are essential in an emergency, ensuring that first responders can get in and you can get out without delay. This habit fosters a mindset that values open space. A home with less stuff is not only easier to clean but also safer and easier to navigate, especially for those who use a walker or a cane. This is where Mary, a recent downsizer, found her freedom. She keeps a donation box in her closet and makes a daily decision to add one unneeded item to it. It could be a book I've already read, a kitchen gadget I never use, or a piece of clothing that no longer fits, she says. This gradual progress helps her create an environment that is visually calming and physically easy to move through. Downsizing can reduce stress and the burden of home maintenance. This habit also extends to the kitchen, where regularly checking for and disposing of expired food is a critical practice for food safety. Ultimately, this habit reframes cleaning as a profound act of self-care. It's about creating a safe haven that supports your health, well-being, and ability to live gracefully in the home you love. Habit 5. Break it down into 15-minute miracles. One of the biggest hurdles to a clean home can be the physical and mental effort required. The very idea of a cleaning day can be exhausting before you even begin. That's where this next habit becomes a true game changer, breaking every task into small, manageable steps. This is the little and often approach in action, a concept sometimes known as task chunking. Dorothy, 78, is a perfect example. She reclaimed her 3-bedroom home using what she calls her 15-minute miracle. Instead of trying to clean a whole room, which would leave her feeling tired and sore, she sets a timer for just 15 minutes and focuses on one tiny area. One day she'll sit comfortably at her kitchen table and sort through a single drawer. The next, she might spend that time wiping down the kitchen cabinet doors. Another day might be dedicated to cleaning just the bathroom mirrors and faucet. Small steps led to big changes without exhaustion, she shared. Breaking down a large project reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed and boosts motivation as you complete each small part. By the end of the week, the entire house has been refreshed, without her ever feeling overwhelmed or physically strained. This approach works wonders for our motivation. When a task feels small and achievable, we're less likely to procrastinate. Completing it gives us a little boost of accomplishment, making it easier to start again tomorrow. This method removes the dread from cleaning and weaves it into the gentle rhythm of daily life, respecting your energy while still achieving beautiful, noticeable results. It turns overwhelming projects into a series of small, satisfying victories. Habit 6. Keep laundry in personal spaces. Serene piles of laundry and a messy bedroom can make the whole house feel chaotic. Your bedroom, in particular, should be a place of rest, and a cluttered environment can increase stress and negatively affect your sleep. This leads us to a powerful habit, staying on top of laundry and maintaining your personal spaces every day. Many people have gotten rid of the dreaded all-day laundry day by adopting a simple rule: do one small load of laundry every day. Instead of facing a mountain of clothes that requires hours of standing, lifting, and folding, you're dealing with a manageable amount that fits easily into your daily routine. It might be towels one day, whites the next, and delicates the day after. The task becomes a quick part of your day, a few minutes to load the washer, a few to move it to the dryer, Folding one small load while watching the evening news feels effortless in comparison to tackling a week's worth of laundry at once. The same commitment to order applies to the bedroom, which should be a sanctuary for rest and peace. A tidy, organized bedroom promotes relaxation and can lead to better sleep quality. The habit begins with making the bed each morning, an act that instantly makes the room feel more pulled together. It also includes a quick tidy of the bedside table and making sure clothes don't end up on the chair, that infamous piece of furniture that becomes a second closet. At the end of the day, clothes are either hung back up in the closet or placed in the hamper. By nurturing your personal spaces, you're creating a peaceful environment to retreat to at night and a serene space to wake up in each morning. Habit 7. Cultivate a mindset of consistency and pride. All of these practical habits are held together by this final one, which is less of an action and more of a mindset. Cultivating consistency and taking gentle pride in your home. This is the heart of it all. Seniors with peaceful, clean homes don't just do chores, they embrace a lifestyle of mindful order. A clean home can improve mental health by reducing stress and providing a sense of control and contentment. This mindset is built on routine. They understand that small, consistent efforts are far more powerful than rare, intense cleaning sessions. The habits become second nature, like brushing your teeth. If you're someone who is more forgetful or just starting, a simple checklist on the fridge or a gentle daily reminder on your phone can be a wonderful tool to help build these routines until they become automatic. This mindset also comes with a healthy dose of self-compassion. The goal is not perfection. Life happens, and some days you'll have less energy or time than others. The key is not to get discouraged by a missed day. As one woman who recently downsized shared, "I moved from my 300-200 square foot home in 1 week after 23 years. It's called freedom." She realized that caring for her new, smaller space wasn't about flawless appearances, but about creating a foundation for a life of peace, safety, and well-being. This sense of pride is what motivates us to fluff the pillows or wipe the counter. It's not about vanity, it's a quiet internal mindset that says, "I deserve to live in a space that feels beautiful, safe, and nurturing." And there you have them, the 7 simple daily habits that can help you create a home that feels wonderfully clean and organized. As you can see, the secret isn't about backbreaking labor or a chase for perfection. The real magic lies in small, consistent actions that fit gently into your life. It's about gently bookending your day with a quick tidy up, handling kitchen messes right away, and staying one step ahead of clutter with the one-touch rule. It's about making your home a safe haven and breaking every task into manageable 15-minute miracles. It's about keeping your personal spaces serene and, most importantly, cultivating a mindset of consistency and pride. By nurturing your home in these small ways, you are also nurturing yourself, creating a space that supports your physical and emotional well-being. We truly hope these tips have been inspiring for you. If you found them helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gentle wisdom on living your best life. We would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these habits resonated with you the most, or what is one daily habit you already practice that helps you keep your home feeling peaceful? Your own wisdom could be a wonderful help to someone else in our community. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to creating a home you truly love.